Hello, carpet cleaning world. Okay, we're going to keep this one real short. I have a quick question for you. Do you invest in your clients or do you just purchase them as needed? What's crazy old Roger talking about now? I'm glad you asked. Let me explain. When you market on Google and Facebook and any other social media, you are purchasing client or purchasing customers. Do you understand that? The reason why you're purchasing them is simply because you're advertising, you're normally putting out a price, you're trying to get them to call you, you want to clean them, and then you're done with them. And that's not how it works. See, when you have a marketing system, you're investing in your client. Let me get to the meat and potatoes of this video right here. You see this? This is a finished letter without the stamp that's getting ready to go out to Irvin Stein at 114, wherever, whatever. Okay? Now, I'm investing in Mr. Stein. Let me explain. This envelope I paid for. This label right here I paid for. The ink on this label is paid for. And then you see these letters, these sequence of letters. See, this isn't an advertisement telling him I want to come out and I'm going to clean his carpet for 2 rooms for $99 or any of that craziness. This is an educational letter that's offering him a free room of carpet cleaning up to 200 square feet so I can demonstrate what I have to offer. Because as I always say, a presentation without a demonstration is just a conversation. And a conversation has never or will ever pay any bills. And then on this side of the same letter, it says the BioClean difference. It tells them why I'm different. It tells them also about useless do-it-yourself methods. And then underneath, it has one of my professional uniform technicians using professional extraction equipment, and you see the before and after. All of this is on the letter. And then at the bottom, in big bold print, it says this is a value of $74. So everything about this letter is an investment. I'm investing in good old Mr. Stein here. But let me tell you something. Most people in a 2-week period are very busy. And let's be honest, Mr. Stein doesn't know me. He lives in an $850,000 home that I received his information from the tax assessor site so I can mail this to him. But I'm not going to. So for the guy that just called me and said, well, Roger, I mailed out 200 letters like you told me and no one called yet. See, this is an investment. I'm investing in Mr. Stein here. So I don't give up on Mr. Stein because he doesn't know me. So after 2 weeks go by, then I'm going to send Mr. Stein the second notice. And how it starts off, your prize expires in 2 weeks from delivery date. And then it pretty much mimics the same thing because the information doesn't change. I just need to remind him that, hey, buddy, I'm investing in you. And I need you to give me a call. Even if you don't hire me for right now, you need to know about carpet cleaning and the difference. You need to know about the BioClean difference. Now, I don't have a copy printed off of my third letter, but then even 2 weeks after this, I sent him a third letter, and that would be the final letter of offering him a free room demonstration. After that, because I'm still investing in him, he still owns an $850,000 home that I want to service. I'm going to send him event-driven postcards to remind him about me for every month of the year. An event-driven postcard is normally something like about in May. In May, it talks about Mother's Day. In June, it talks about Father's Day. It tells them the reasons why they need to get their carpets clean. It just reminds them. So I don't want to harass them to the point where I make them say, hey, stop mailing to me. I send them a little postcard just reminding them that they need to get their carpets clean and that I'm available. See, this is a marketing system. So everyone that's not going to call me off the first letter, that doesn't mean that they're not interested. What that simply means is I haven't persuaded them enough. But then 2 weeks later, when I come back with the second notice, now the flood of calls start coming in. And then for everyone that didn't call me after that, I send them a third letter that says third notice. And then after that, I'm done offering them a free room demonstration. I start giving them postcards with money off. I never advertise price. See, that's the difference between an investment and just purchasing clients as you need them. As I just said, this 6x9 envelope costs me. The label on the envelope costs me. The ink on the label costs me. To mail out all these letters costs me. So I can't be the cheapest guy around. So I don't even want to advertise that way. So it tells them right on the back side of this letter here, just to let them know that I'm nowhere near cheap. This is a value of $74, just offering them a free 200 square feet. That's a value of $74. So if they're like, wait a minute, this guy's going to charge me the value of $74 for one room. Well, if I do get my carpets clean, he's not going to be cheap. See, nothing about this letter, nothing about this is saying that it's cheap. There is a chance that they don't have any carpets in their home. Yeah, I know that, Jeffrey. That's why when we go in and we give them an inspection, we give them a folder of information that lets them know that we clean furniture, that we clean tile and grout. We also clean wood floors. We also clean mattresses, air ducts, and the beat goes on, if you know what I mean. But the point is, we're in the carpet cleaning business, so the free offer is for 2 rooms of carpet, 200 square feet of carpet cleaning to educate them about their carpet being the second largest filter in their home. And we already found out a couple weeks ago from Alex that 40% is only getting their carpets professionally cleaned. That's less than 0.5%. That's less than 50%. 40% is getting their carpets professionally cleaned. And whose fault is that? Well, you already know the answer to that. But the point is, if you go in and you educate them, if you listen to me, if I charged you for this, then you would take the information and listen to it. But because this is free information, you're like, whatever. But if you tell your client, carpet isn't the problem, dirty carpet is. Clean carpet actually can be a clean health filter in their home. That's what they need to know. And you're the carpet cleaner. You're the so-called professional. So why aren't you saying it? Why are you letting your clients tell you, oh, well, I have some red stains over here. I have some wax stains over there. That's great. You already should know with all the training and all the groups and all the education on the internet now, you should already know how to get those stains out. I'm not proud of you because you can get a red stain out. I'm not proud of you because you can get wax out. You know what'll make me proud of you? When you can go in and say, well, that's great, man. We'll take care of those for you. And we'll even look at them and tell you your expectations of them. But I'm here today to let you know about your carpet filter, that your carpet is a filter. Did you know that? Did you know that dirty carpet isn't the problem? Dirty carpet is the problem, not carpet. Clean, maintained carpet can be a clean air benefit for your home because it's going to pull all the germs and pollutants out the air so it can filter properly. And do you know this too, ma'am? By the time a carpet looks dirty, it doesn't need to be cleaned anymore. Unfortunately, it needs to be restored. That's why when you see us use our cleaning tools, the carpet normally lights up about 2 or 3 shades. That's not the way it's supposed to be used. Carpet isn't supposed to light up 2 and 3 shades every time you have it professionally cleaned. If you might see some vacuum cleaner lines from the equipment, but when a carpet lights up 2 and 3 shades, ma'am, that's a restoration project. Here, let me show you some images right here. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. See, yeah, you want to let them see. You want to educlean them so you can charge 37 cents, 55 cents, 65 cents, and things like that. You want them to understand. You want them to understand why you're in business. And you need to understand from me right now and right here that you see this Irving Stein, I'm investing in him. I'm not advertising on Facebook and Google to purchase him for a job. That's right. I'm purchasing him. You know why? Because you guys are paying Facebook and Google all this money and you don't even know who's going to call, when they're going to call, and how much they're even willing to spend. But see, if you listen to me and you target the market, if you go after, yes, I am going to say it. If you're a mom and pop operation, if you're a single truck operator or a 2-truck operator, you need to go after the homes that can respect your craft, and you need to invest in them. All these letters that I'm mailing out to them, all the postcards that will follow, these are investments. I'm investing in you, Mr. Stein. I'm not giving up on you, Mr. Stein. You will have a $850,000 home that I want to service, Mr. Stein. I don't just want your carpet cleaning. I want your wood floors. I want your furniture. I want your tile and grout. I want your mattresses. I want your air ducts. I want it all. I want to be your guy, Mr. Stein, because this envelope, this label, this ink on the label, these letters, all of these are for you, Mr. Stein. I'm investing in you, Mr. Stein, because you know what? I want you to give me a chance, so I have to give you a chance by investing in you, because I understand us carpet cleaners have made it so easy to believe that we're, a one-fits-all business, that it doesn't matter. As long as someone has a wand and a tool or a VLM machine or a CRB machine, we're all the same. And that's so not true, Mr. Stein. I want to purchase you. I am going to EduClean you, Mr. Stein. I'm going to earn your business, Mr. Stein. I think you guys are tired of hearing about Mr. Stein. But that's what it's all about. This is a marketing system. This isn't blind marketing on Facebook or AdWords. Roger, what you talking about? You getting carried away now. I advertise on Google all the time. I make good money. I advertise on Facebook. I get calls. I'm sure you do. But how many calls do you get that you have to turn away because they're non-qualified? See, you have to understand me, ladies and gentlemen. When I mail these letters, when they do call me, they already understand that I'm coming out to give them a carpet inspection. They already understand that I'm going to clean 200 square feet, and that's a value up to $74. So they already know I'm not the cheapest on the market. They get an education. They're going to see the BioClean difference. Ladies and gentlemen, Stop letting the market target you when you have this information from me free. And then you can purchase the material for very cheap. This is $150. You will have all of this to get you started and change the way you're running your business now. Don't go into this, as I said last night, the same way you've been doing it through the law of insanity, which simply states doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. Are you kidding me right now? Ladies and gentlemen, it's 2019. You can make more money in this business than you ever have before. If you change your thinking, you can change your life. All right, now, I got some things I got to go do. But it's important because next month, in a week, we're hitting the springtime. Do you want to hit the ground running, making more money than you ever did before? Or you just want to say, hey, Google, hey, Facebook, let me talk to you and give you a whole bunch of money, and you send me the same thing you've been sending me, a lot of blind results. Blind, B-L-I-N-D. All right, now, y'all take care.